Hello people. How una dey? I agree to now. Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Abeg Mona help me share. Mona help me share am. Make we talk small. Make we gist small. Make we talk small. Mona help me share. If una dey hear me, Mona help me share am. Please, 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 please help me to share. Help me to share it. Wagima gist here, make we talk small. This life, oh, wanna help me share. If una no dey hear me, Mona tell me. I fit change wetin I dey use. Help me to share it, please. As I'll take put comment for here now. You might understand it. Mona help me share am, my people. May we talk a little bit, Now they hear me. Or me I do am direct. Because I know they see comment for this one where they use. Email comment go. Are you people hearing me? Now why for wire road though? So now they hear me, Mona let me know. I know they see comments. Me I pick the other phone till local. I for do am direct just now. No. I for do am direct. Mona let me know if now they hear. Or me I cut am, me I do am again. Why for Bombai market or for wire road? No be small thing. Eminemigo aje eme aswa omie. Now they hear me. Eminemigo aje eme aswa omie. Now why my people, this life, this life. First of all, me I feel they play this Naija wash of a thing. Me I not get anything, not be say because he strike my pay, my YouTube that time because I be the first person wey strike, and not be because of that one I want talk. This life, you dey do something, do am well. You go do am well. I feel they play am. Maybe some of them not dey because I know fit talk everything. Yet what tell me here today. I'll dey pick am one by one. I hate those people, wey go dey pretend. Naija what you know sabi lie. Ugwa toore. Wa ata wa avegbo. You know sabi lie. If you sit down, if you be person wey dey reason, wey get that wisdom wey God give you, you go know say Naija wash. Emi ya no where time no there. You for not just come and come talk. You for not just come out come talk because you know say everything wey dem talk about you na true. Me I be YouTuber. My people, before I go play am, me I don still there for inside this YouTuber of a thing. I no quick monetize my channel because I just dey do am for fun that time. If you dey follow me well, you know say I no quick monetize am. I just dey do am for fun like that. When I come decide say okay, me I take am serious. You understand? Before I come do am, maybe na last year. Last year I do am, be last 2 years now I do am. Now I can't do am because I just take am say funny. You know when you dey do something for funny, you say I'll soon throw away. I no wan do again. But I can't take am. Okay, me I just enter. Me I just dey do because to do a YouTuber e no easy. Before you come dey cut all this one, do this one, they follow their law, everything. Boy, you know, because that time I not just mind. I just say me I not just dey do this thing. You know. me I still be YouTuber, my people. Me I tell you, if person dey, you know what? Me I just felt, me I felt all this one. Naija Watch give Iyore YouTube channel good and fine, good and fine. You for sell am for am. I felt all this thing. I think that's time when Iyore do video. I even talk about this one. I say if for sell am for am because they fit buy YouTube channel. You fit buy. My people, some of our people, their brain. I don't know as I take talk and say they use take knack war or me I just talk say maybe in your mind, you know. If you don't know something, a person supposed to tell you. You understand? Like me, when I start this YouTuber of 18, I don't know anything. I dey use until they watch a film, come on for them. But my children dey inside because I say I be their mother. They no want teach me. You understand? Say me I not going to disturb them. Say help me for this one, help me for the other one. You know. But when they can't teach me, now I can't they follow on. I can't they understand. They tell me say anything where you not know. They'll tell me say type am for YouTube. If you just write what you need, it go show for YouTube. Or if you not see am for YouTube, go Google. Ask Google. Google go tell you. You go do am step by step. Now so I tell learn, my people. Now so I tell learn. You give Iyore YouTube. You for tell am say you want sell am for am. Or you go tell am say my sister, this YouTube they use am, I never monetize am. When I go monetize am, then me and you go come talk am as it's supposed to be. You know? When he monetize, you not tell am say then they see money for inside. If they not they see money, Naija Watch, what you they do for YouTube when you there? If they not they see money, what me I they do for there? If they know they see money, why give my guy be man? Mona help me share, my people. Mona help me share. God go bless you now. Why give my guy be man? I know say something when you go tell our people say, "Emina na amigo, but they want spoil am." That one na truth. That one na truth because where our people enter, they go like me they spoil there. But this YouTube of 18, thank God say not be black get am. Na Igbo get am. Na America people na get am. Like say na black, yan agbeki ene. Yan agbeki ene. Odo hien vianti e. Odo hien vianti e ne you no get yawo. Okay, when you give am, you don't monetize am. Why you not tell am say as I monetize so money go dey come out. Now the woman still come dey ask tell you say iyan we yan mi go. They not dey see anything na scent. Now sent now you sit down for there. My people, this life, you go now your buck can say I know. I'm more area in me. Nobody they carry and come out. Once you don't go, the money now here we for meter. Now here now we go still live and put. I'm back. Okay, you can't play because I'm not just too much because the video long where I go they play small. I go they give on a point. Who go tell una say they know they make money for YouTube, now our ancestor na go strike that person. Yes. When they go tell una say na cent na then they make for them, now our ancestor na go strike that person. Then they make money for YouTube. Know your way, not because so far may you know say you don't get 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. You go start to they make your money small. Not be as you start am, not be you start to dey make money. Amigo want my people. Wagi mata make be man. Wagi mata. Naija Watch, they draw you for this side. Now only you want they for YouTube. The answer is no. But you be one make you they control everybody. All these people when they do presenter, when you they carry their video, you be one make they under you. Not be the one where you talk yesterday, say, Iyore want me everybody day on that. My brother, you too talk, who talk be atemata. When you come out, now you with Danny Yayi, then they carry those people video. You block that man way. Go tell them, say, after today, na Naija Watch go they carry their video. Etu we back your honey. Obiere na melo. Danny Yayi melo. Danny Yayi no verse I mention your name. He melo, no worry. He start to they do wetin other thing, they carry another person video. Oh my God, my video they presenter. Not be you do that thing. Now you do it now. You say you they pay them. At last, we can't hear say you know they pay anybody. You just make them sign. make them sign the copyright, say now you get, now you give them paper, make them sign, say now you come the control, now you get right to report that video if anybody carry am. Maybe the paper where you give them, you know, say make them sign, say you go dey pay them. Now because I dey see some people where they say I sign with her, he sign, you sign, say he go dey give you money. E not there, e not get where I write for there. E just thought someone get agreement with your video, with your property. My brother, you too do well. You too do. You go now, you back and say I know. I am wa. Nobody go die tomorrow, go carry money for nobody. All what you talk yesterday. Oman ugwa to wa ata wa vegbo. Me, I don't pick and bang, what I want pick for yourself. I don't even need to listen to everything where you want to talk. I don't even get time. You know, say you don't know 1 + 1, say na 2, na it be. Una mwe mugu come and buy. I need very all. They know they do like that. You don't know where your picking go reach tomorrow. You don't know. You don't know who you. Maybe tomorrow now your picking you can't go reach Ijore Domot. Because of money, you go. What it be money? Where you they make your own money for that small. Me, I know the talk say you do bad, say you give a YouTube channel. No. You for make her understand, say, okay, as money don't come so, because then they pay my sister. You for tell her, say, see the money where then they pay. And that time, YouTube not they collect money. Anybody will tell una say, YouTube they collect half of money where you know they make before. Now our ancestor now go strike am. I did for YouTube. If you make $1,000, then go bring your money. If na euro now you did, then go change am to euro. Bring everything to your account. That was 2 months ago. Now they change their law. Abi 3 months ago. Nigeria was they change their law 3 months ago. Any money where you make for YouTube now, then they take 24% for inside. Now, before, not be like that. Think they start on June. Then they start on. They send everybody, if you get YouTube, if you don't get monetized, they send that to everybody. If you just open your YouTube, you'll see them for up. They also make you put your tax. The money where you for they pay your tax for the country where you there. They also make you put them for there. If you click and go carry, you go Google AdSense. Now you go put everything where you want put. If you don't want, make them they take your 24% for your money where you work for YouTube. If you don't get time, say you don't put that the tax where they pay for the country where you dey, now then they take 24% for your money. Before YouTube not they take 1 cent for your money. Lie. If now, because now $100 now they pay out. The minimum is $100. The minimum. If you go to your Google AdSense, if you be YouTuber, you see them for there say the minimum is $100. If your YouTube don't make $100, then go send them to the account where you put for your Google AdSense. Then they'll send that put. If na Naira, they'll put them there. If na Euro, you go see them for your account. And then they pay every 21 of months. Then they pay. And just watch. Every 21, then they pay. They'll put them for your account for them. So they can't change their law 2 or 3 months ago. If you not fill that paper, say you not fill am, they collect this money 20%, 24% for the money where you dey work. Then they collect and come up for them. So you give a YouTube, you not tell and say then they pay every month. You can't collect the money. You can't. My brother, no. Me I tell you, Igo who I had you negbe ho man. You fit all say egbo ya hun ma ya kara ya hun. Ofone gbe no. Enja wash. Ofone gbe o to tire hun. You for tell if you say you be better person, you be oviedo like that. You for call and say my sister come. This YouTube where they do so. See the money where they pay. And from today, me and you go they share am. Either me go take 60 or you go take 40%. I say na so you tell her. Ezogere. Because now you get time. Yes. You no want set the YouTube channel for her. You for tell her like that. Honest person, that's what they say they do something. I want give you this thing. So, wa afien. Now you they do am, but now me get the wetin I bring come. Wa afien, you not tell her like that. When I want you go, the money where you make before when they start when you monetize your YouTube, that YouTube thing where she come out, how much it be? Can you tell the whole world? Naija Wash. Can you tell the whole world? Even now, your boy can say, I know. I'm area in me. You said the donation, only donation. Donation, whether they donate. Whether that one, who they get on. Now wow. YouTube not be black, oh. Now Ibona then get time. Now then get time. If you make 1 cent, your 1 cent go there. They will gather around when you go reach $100. They will suffer, carry your money, can't give you. You was making money there. While Nigeria, if you say na lie, say you not make money for there. If you say na lie, don't why when look bona gbera, you feel swear and put. You can't do that. Because me and you, we know what they go on. Me, I don't still enter. Even my children, they inside. They don't date. My children don't date for past 11 years, maybe 12 years. Now they there. So they're not in and out. I'm only imagine your mindset don't move go way. They not they pay. They say na 1 cent, 2 cents. Now some they do everything. They say na 1 cent, 2 cents. My people, YouTube they pay. Why your man up why? If you na want to open now with patience, open now. Sit down for that. They do what they do. Now small. They know they quit they pay. Once you don't reach 1,000, then you'll get your watch hour. They make sure say you they build down. They build down. Not give up. They build down. Maybe sometimes if you see say 1 month I just do only $5. It no matter because you just newly start. You know compare yourself with other people where don't big. We don't get 5,000, 6,000 viewers, 3,000 viewers. You not compare yourself with them. Now small. You go they build down. I bet Naija Wash. Only one thing because you come out yesterday, can't talk. Only one thing where me or Touchable Mama they ask you as a woman because you're a woman, you go fit, screenshots, the time when they start where you monetize that shining, till when you don't live the money where they pay every month. I beg because if you go your what they call studio now, this thing studio now that they call now YouTube studio, you go there, analyzer, it did there. I beg, may you just screenshot them. We need them. We want see them. The day where it starts, where they start to the where you monetize and the month where you start time. Till the day where you come out. Till the day where she come out. I beg, may you do it because nobody say you can't come out, can't just talk, you just enter us. No, they know they do that one like that. Bambo they walk, monkey they chop. I fear will not fear you anyway. If now some people, you know, come out, they talk with you, they talk yesterday. You just tell this woman, say, I don't offend you. I don't chop your money. I don't know, say, I brainwash you. I turn your head upside down. I know, say, you don't know. You go suffer calling. You don't allow. Forgive me, man. I don't offend you. I even carry that channel, come out for your hand, draw and come out. Forgive me. Go ask for forgiveness. Let me they tell you. They will tell you, say, no, man, nothing they happen. Or, yeah, where I learn where oh, nero mau, ne do affect monoma beer. Only do and learn. At all, oh, honera nevision, was a lot by go more rival because we don't the bone. When you don't the bone, you don't know where your children go wakarish. Anything where you do, fear affect your children, I make us. I'm a low. I can't go to your wedgie. I'm no ibiene or go to your wedgie. I'm not calling your contact say maybe you're in a scan or you're not be scan. Now waiting, they're supposed to they do. Now they talk so. If not heke no be no heke no ya age. So not just come like say you not come out. I for prefer. Say a Naija wash not come out. With Iyore don settle am. You need to go and beg that woman for forgiveness. You feel say you know they go, but so igbe anyon we name we gbe you run go meet am. Or for negbe no. Now you give her, yes, not true. But if they pay you every month, you they collect her. Una the how you go no you not give her 1 cent. Who does that? Naija wash I uwe ya we gbege ya bonye nendo. Yahweh gbege ya bonye nendo. No matter say you give her, say now you give her China. Okay, you give me. Money don't they come out. Why you not tell the woman say, see the amount where they come out, not be you get her. Now she they work and now she's they sit down for there. Hours, all rebani. Ogata law. Erika. The throat go dry. Go there. They call people why they enemy you go they get thousands of I know views in Oga Rebani. Naija watch what you do that woman. Me I be YouTuber like you. So people like us, you know, if you can't tell us, say, see the way we take the work, na lie. He pay you 700 euro to remove copyright. When me and you know say copyright, I pay 10 kobo. See, you know they pay. YouTube fee help you remove van. You know what called the video? No. Music even there where you go say, okay, you go press and YouTube go, they go help you put on. Remove the music. You collect that one. You not talk that one yesterday. You not talk how much that China brick come. During that time when you already did there. Umatoni abuta wagi maga same ani. You not talk those one. You they beat around the bush. Because you go to oge. Wa atana wa avek boy. This money, or you can sweet view the eat wa ne no aha. Igo ho aha na or for negbo ho. Woman will carry you for belle 9 months. He breastfeeds you. You will tell and say, me rock ba way. My brother, no matter about you, okay. No matter about you, okay. No need for you to come and yesterday come they tell say, you already be want me she day up. Now you day up for now you wait till you do. Now you say you already do so. You already run come up for Facebook because they pursue and they go. You run come up for there. Good, you carry and say, okay, can't stay for this side. But you know good may you treat us, you take return. You know good may you treat us. Ona ye de jiro noue. Wait see. My people, if you want just buy YouTube channel, put time for Google. Buy and selling of YouTube channel. Go come and brrr, you'll see many things for there. Why your man gamu wow? If you want buy, say you not feel wait. People they buy. Buying and selling of YouTube, they did there. He did. He can't. Ona wa jore come and buy. Ona mo come and buy. On one, on my 2. But God they. Usalobwa no rekete. He did. They wash everybody. No we say ora mi ewo dao. No we wo ho. Eyame no one no get gain. Igo no ma hwa ehira ekoriewo. Tune. Like say the money where she they make every month. Una the area your account where you make $2,000. Una the yekere in way. Uveri yekere una the yegia. Abi I work you still give her. Umariene. Iga zigo be. Because it's too much China ne. My people me I wait me I just the place small this thing. Yeah, kwa kere I no fit stay too much. What did this our brother do? Man. Who talk say good, person, I'm a mere bubble way, oh, yeah, where would it be? Oh, way. Because who have one win and a red, you just work for nothing. You not even get anything. Una get a mere job. You too do. You too do, You too do, Ona the jigo no, ona ye the mere. All those people where you say they control their YouTube channel. Oh, here what to me. Oh, here out to me. What do they control for them? What do they do for inside there? My control way. My control, you know what make people attack make them attack and put your phone number. And you get the way where you take put on. Anybody where want enter, you to go send message, can't give you say, person want try to enter you now, you be not be you. It did there. I have Sajo. Me I play among of the listing. I play and small the thing just the verse me also no me.
before we move on, when Iyore meet me, I open this channel. I can't tell her, he can't call me back, say, she don't fit get followers. Quick get followers. No, nobody should call in. Who is calling in now? Not now. You know? Then she can't say, I give her YouTube, as I felt talking before. I give Iyore this YouTube. I not tell her, say she going to pay me. The reason why I support Iyore na Christian, I make me support her. But I don't know, say, Iyore na businesswoman as me be businessman. The time why I know, say, Iyore na businesswoman, now after 3 months, after she got to use my channel. Now I can call Iyore. I can say, Mommy, because mommy at the call and I me give her mommy Iyore wall of the call today. Oh.
You know, I know why I say Iyore na businesswoman, because they see the chat, the super chat where they send Iyore. And I know say people like Iyore. Naija Watch, nothing where you fit change for that one. People wey like and they don't like her. Me I dey talk am. People wey hate you, they don't hate you. That one na normal thing. Now the super chat where you dey see say people they give, now you say na businesswoman. I don't say they talk about salt and water, well, everything there for YouTube. That salt and water of a thing. You don't take away the Oyibo, now they carry and come. Oyibo, oh, they did there. No, say our people, then they tell them, say, Mona, follow this side, they will follow this side. That one are not that case. That one are not that case. Mona, they listing.
And I me give her mommy Iyore wall of the call today. Oh, now me. If I get friendship, as my 2 sisters fight reach till today, none of the fit come and say I don't call anybody behind the other person. I dey talk about Lolo and Monica today. If I talk to Lolo, how I want to settle. If I talk to Monica, how I want to settle, finish. I've never called any of my presenters. I go still address that. People wait to say, Naija Watch, now they cause trouble for social media. I never give anybody script. One day say, take this message, go talk, put. May you bring.
But you dey tell people say make dem dey do saga na video na saga video na im people like pass. Naija Watch tell matter. Person don still tell me confirm to me say you no want dey carry a video. The person come meet me say abeg dey carry my video. I call he say he call Naija Watch say make dey carry. Say Naija Watch say if you dey do video of saga na people dey watch pass. Naija Watch e got to you no carry that person video. Umamu, because of say if the person not they do saga, you know they carry. I got told manata. Because if you talk say not be you the person talk to, now your team. But person wait there for Naija Watch. Tell that person say so. Ina we matter. Not be everybody they like saga.
May you bring the video for me, never ever. I beg, they could not talk for comment section. If I've done it, talk the truth. Because people will see there the comment section go swear, put if you lie or not, right? Say the truth. And Iyore says, saying I mean they destroy everybody's head for Facebook, for social media. The king, even our brother Abatobaze constantly talk him. I know you know why I don't blame her because say he still hear from these people so.
That one I not believe say Abat na me can talk am. He get what you tell Abat. He get one video where Abat do. Where Abat come talk say yeah when he gone. Because you talk to her. Now you dey carry Abat video. You even the wetin dem dey call am Daniel you still dey carry am. But you now block here. You block everywhere. My brother, wetin you do for this social media? Wetin you do for that YouTube? It's very bad. It's very bad. Because you know me say this one carry, the other one carry. If you want to still get your view, you still get your view. If you not get your view, now you not get your view. You block everybody. You want to be the head. Say now your name, now come the rain. See where your name, where it rain go now. You don't see where it rain go. Oh, why man now? Bad, you know good way person they do. You don't block many people YouTube. You were the first person who touched my YouTube channel. You were the first person. When I carried Don Cleave music, I not even they put money not there that time. I never monetize them. This Naija Watch is strike am. Me, I never even know what to be strike that time. I even talk and come out. I never even know what to be strike or not strike. Now my children call time me say, see, person where you carry something now saying, but now don't leave it be get out. Why you can't be saying a Niger watch? Because anything YouTube, they know they lie. If person strike your YouTube, he go send you the email, the channel, the person where do I go tell you. They know they hide down. They know they hide down. Now you be the first person. And you even strike my video again. The time where I even carry Iyore. I just look and just say me I just forget. You too do bad, eh? Oh, honu we amoy ezikpo ba ele. Where you do many people. Where you do many people. It's too much. You want make people they hear of you. That time. Even people not even they talk about Daniya again. Now only your name. Any live video where they do. Nobody should carry my video. Only Nigeria was is allowed. Nobody should carry. But when you call bone all of them now, uncle, you not feeling ya kwaji ya you throw away all of them. You not throw away them. You throw away them. You pay for them. Maybe you will pay once or 2 times for some of them. We even the year say you know they pay. Oh, Nigeria will come and give me my money. You pay them. Yeah, why I said to more to another time. You allow them believe say you go they pay, you not pay them. You go not to where you want carry and go, where you want carry and go. Where you want carry and go, your back can say I know. Here, small.
So I'll debunk everything today. Say I was only promoting people. During the time of promoting people, some of the people I promoted, some are successful. Maybe 1 or 2 not they successful. That will not be my mistake. That will not be my fault. All of us will enter abroad. Some people know they do well today. No caller, please, Mr. Austin, stop calling, please. I'll off this phone. You are distracting me, please. You know, just hold on, please. I'll off the phone. No, first. Now you off this phone. So what I'm saying, see now, don't forget what I talk.
Because you know Sabi lie. Let me can't forget. You know Sabi lie. He said they promote people good and fine. You they promote them like me now. Still they promote people. But I they promote them. I see they see my money. Now the truth. When some people they talk say if now he promote us, he promote you now, but you know why he do it. Nothing say just they do it for free. No, he not do it for free. Oh, he promotes you. He still get your gain. He still get your gain. He promotes you. He still CEO. Nobody go promote you say because he want just promote you, not get anything back. You do it and you get something back. You block everybody way, make them not they carry again. Say everybody go enter us. Not be so they tell they do things. I ain't very honest. The truth, good make they tell you. All those people when they tell you say you be good person. For me, you be bad person. What you do for social media, you be bad person. Anybody, now my opinion be this one. For me, that's the way you do. Now you with Daniya, you know that time they hear on and where. I know they talk about me, say maybe I want to carry video. No. Now two of them they hear the name, but you do it so the extent say make they know they hear Daniya name again. Now you do it now. Not be this social media with them. Now you do it. What you do for this social media? Anything where person do for this life. Now this earth, now you go suffer now. Now this earth, now with the suffer. If you do good, you go still wait for you. If you do bad, you go still wait. If you not receive her, now get the time when you tell receiver. Now the truth of the matter. Who like me they do good? Who like me they do bad? Everything there for front.
I talk.
You were talking on debunking the monetization thing.
No, you get what I be the talk just now. Because say, okay, let me just move to Iyore. 3 months later, I can't not say Iyore now businesswoman and me, I be businessman.
Of course.
I can't call 1 or 2 persons say, no, I want to call this woman. This woman, they make lots of money for this YouTube. And she they like to her followers, her members. When me go call Iyore, the reason why I even reach 3 months, the first 1 week, I don't know say this one be businesswoman, no. But I don't call her. Whenever I call her, they use it directly, make she use her brain. Noise they come out for your side, bros. Or
I did we put it for the yours.
okay. What will happen? Whenever you want to talk, I want to remove it from speaker. Let me be hearing from my. Just hold on. I would prefer to be hearing you from my AirPod. Wait, Mona, wait, I beg, because I don't want anything to distract this.
May I carry and go front? I not fit.
Okay, good.
Okay.
So if you want to talk to me, I go hear from my ear. I'll put you for speaker. So with the first 1 week, like I was saying, I already know, say you're in a businesswoman.
Because they donate for it.
After a month or so, Iyore can lie for her stream. She just enter live video that day. Wanna see the reason why I got to say me Iyore they pay me.
Mona they listing for years.
Some people say I be bad person.
You be good person before.
You know,
Well, you know
Iyore your enter stream. She say she just begin they happy. Everybody come they wash. Then Iyore come break the news. She not tell me before she break her more. Ona they hear me. She say one of her member for UK win £100,000. For some of them they follow Iyore, I go remember this day. But I don't remember the day again, but not supposed no, you don't take. He say one of her members win £100,000, and that her member just pay her 10% of £10,000 for live stream. Even me, I can't be happy. Because that time I didn't wash her where.
The money can't enter it. Aye, Mona the listing. The money can't enter it. Aye, what done yo?
Where? Because they call her mommy. Let me give her mommy. In fact, I was joining my team to be protecting her. That is doing the admin with her. I got surprised. Say when Iyore finish, me can call her. No, she can't call me. I can say,
Naija was not lie. Now you call her. Don't be Iyore call you. Who go at all? You know sabi lie. If you just dey lie with avec boy. Now you call am because you see what he talk. Hey, money dead there. See money where person win. I want turn this woman head. He must give me for his side. I beg, my brother, change your way. Emma, you know good.
I can say, mommy. Person you win £100,000.
You go
Now wow. He say na lie oh. He say you say me your talk am. Me tell people. He say we a person they win £100,000. He say na lie your by say me your tell he follow us that one. He get the way she take put her that day I can say No be when she take phone with me oh she don't come on I can say I can say okay. I can't think.
What you want do?
3 months from there, after when she started,
I
can't call her.
Want do?
Cause say, mommy, I don't know what I want to tell her. She they pay me directly. I can't lie to her. Say I want move come on for UK. Me because now me she rely on anything she want to do for her channel. She they call me. I can't say
which is very bad to depend on somebody. Hey. When I don't depend on somebody, try one way and another. May you take open your eye, know what they go on. Because when you depend on somebody, this one ain't they happen. Now these things ain't they happen. Nobody they control my YouTube channel. Me direct. Even my own children, they're not dead there. I put all my head for inside. I enter YouTube. How you do this one? Anything where you where they come out for YouTube, then go send that. Come give me first. Now so it still be for page. Those people where still they open page. Wanna protect una page because nobody go tell una. Anytime where person want to enter, you Facebook go send you say somebody from somewhere want enter. Now you are be not be you. Wanna protect her. Nobody go tell una. I just come they tell una now. Wanna do one. Use them with your phone. If anybody want enter, baka Facebook go send you. Now you are be not be you. Once you tell them say not be you. They go block that account. They'll come send you will be owner. Come send you say, oh yeah, may you change your password. Say, person be want enter your page. I pity for those people where they on that way where you still dey control. I pity for them well.
Challenge, they call me. I can't say, me not fit dey monitor this your channel for you again. My workers will be doing it. And this my workers, I need to be paying them. I can't say, money where you they pay me now, na 300,000 naira every month. Before that, my people, Yore was...
Una no because of say it was say 300,000 naira, because you know say Yore they work more than that one every month. My people, wanna use una brain. You understand? If person know they work more than that one, you know if he ask am that kind of money. Because now they receive all Yore money every blessed month. So you know the money where they receive. Mona wise oh, mona open her ear well, mona not let anybody watch una. Wa dame ho. And once a lobwa when we square ba.
Every month. Before that, my people, Yore was making, if I'm not mistaken, between 2 to 5 million naira every month. Not be now. I don't know whether she still they make money now, whether she don't hide them more. Between 2 to 5 million naira every month. Not be from YouTube or from donation.
At you na yeah.
I don't know say this woman.
Una yeah. That one na for donation. Na in they see the money. Because na in they control the YouTube. Because any donation where they do, any super chat where they do for there, person where they control the YouTube, na in go they see those things. You gonna vien your house, see money. The one where they collect for YouTube, only man swear. Now wow.
I don't know say this woman business woman. As I tell her, make she they pay me. Make sure they pay me 300,000 every month. It's already start. No, I don't get 300,000. Oh. If not the ISA, and she can't use the word ISA. If not the ISA money where you see, now make you they ask me 300,000 every month. That ISA money, not be me get them. Now some old people they don't suffer for abroad. Now that they donate and fear not let them even buy water for ISA that money. She don't fit do this and do that. She don't fit pay that money. She can't drop phone. As she drop, my people, all of us get sense now. I can't remember say, many of us till tomorrow, we know say, some of our pastors go collect offering money. They go collect tithe money. But if you ask, they say where this money they go say it's for God. Since when we don't go church, I never see say God come inside altar, come enter inside the box. One of us donate money, put it, carry and go heaven. That was the same game Yore was trying to play with me. I can't say, okay, no problem. Our husband or whether our boyfriend, one Ghana Igbo man, I don't know whether they're still there now or something, but that time, the day where that one can't call me. That one, if they hear this one, that made that one talk true. And I know saying at all that they share the money where they take they scam people, but it's okay. That one can't call me. That one can't say, hello, my brother, how you doing? Blah, blah, blah. My woman just told me you want her to be paying 300,000 naira a month. That is too much because the donation that she's receiving, they were focusing on the donation. Me not mention donation one day, but I know say you're a businesswoman. I'm a smart boy. I'm very smart. I tell you now, you know, if I tell you now the age why I did build my first ever house, when I go surprised say this man is too smart. I'm a businessman.
Very smart to thief other people money. Very, very smart. My brother, Eriomaya smarty. Eriomaya smart. To eat other people money. Now that one with the call 419. Because when they call say they're smart, now that one now be need the call. Now we the Naija people with the call and say you too smart, so you be 419. It not make you smart. It not make you smart. You not do well at all. Not just to say you smart. You catch mugu. I understand. Say mugu 4, gaman go chop. Now that one you do is your. But if you really get you go sit down and talk. Say the way I do this woman no good. I chop all your money. Even they pay me join am. I even collect the channel, I carry am comot. E no make you a smart guy at all. Think am how you like. E no make you a smart person. That one na evil art. Take it or leave it. Na evil art na you do. Yeah, see whether this thing still dey work. Take it or leave it. Na evil art. E no make you a smart guy at all. To dey eat other person the work wey dem dey do. E no make you a smart guy, my brother. No, because you no know where we will foresee tomorrow. You with your own, fit still do something together tomorrow. You fit still see her, or she fit still help you, or you go come still help her tomorrow. I behave very honest. They no dey do like that. We all will be Bini. We end up by my yahin. I think you say you be Bini. I think you say you be Bini. To be smart, not be so. To be smart for your wetin you want use yourself take work, collect. Not be smart to eat other people money. You hear, my brother? You were not smart. You be 419. Oji, oga. Smart, may you take do something where you know say now you work am. This thing I go make sure say I use 1 naira, take turn to 5 naira. Now that one I be smart person. When you come dey use another person, take dey get money, you say you be smart. Ige miame. Anything. Ige miame. Take it or leave it. Now person suffer put. Now person suffer put. Just now you give her YouTube channel. But if you sit down look everything as it a day, una yere miye bae. Ije me, our ancestors go ask now. Area de yawe me ya. After all the money where you don't collect, it pay you. You collect 700 euro for copyright. Everything. You say you be smart. You say you smart. One of the listing.
Okay? But I've never scammed anybody in my life.
My matter. Why it's your nonna?
In
Nigeria,
fact,
what
I
did they
was
call
born,
this
the only
one?
person.
What did they call this one? Eh? Una also na go school. Sometimes una they talk something. I go sell this one. Iyan gele we yan. I'm not major school. Iyan be me ya. You never scam person for your life. What did they call this one? This one where you do to this woman. So that's your nonna. Una your born me and me. You collect everything. What do you want call this one? You be good person. And may God they bless you more. My brother, don't they be like that? Very on you. Let's say you collect all your money now. You still leave that China for now. And what do people still tell you? They say China and they know soji. No, you collect time. You never scam person for your life. What do you call this one? Eh? Nothing there with her. Sissy, you must see a job. I fear will not fear you. Wait, see what they come out for your mouth. You never scam anybody before. But this one now, wait till you go call them. Now business now you do. Una bejo. When you do business with person, una make bomb manager. You are a bad head. You are a number 1 scammer. Not the truth. Uma they say to ne, you collect everything. Then you will say you be good person. One and they listen to what they come out for your mouth.
Only person when say I don't scam her for my entire life, that be Yuri.
Because you scammer. You scammer. Like say you not scammer, every soladian. When like say you live on with that China, so okay. After all the millions, Nigeria watch we ask it your feel swear your head put say that your China not work more, you not work maybe $20,000 before it leave her for you. What's it even wejo? If you feel swear that one, everybody go rest. You just come as you take come out yesterday say, I get the money you just swear and put say, if really that money, I bet my brother, don't they talk anyhow. Now woman born you, not let woman chook hand for your eye. Not let woman chook hand for your eye. Because you be Bini person, that make me they tell you. Wait till you do, it not good. Anybody will tell you say you good. Or they me or they go still do that person 100 times. Or so la they gbe. What you want to tell us? Not be that YouTube midday. Not be that YouTube midday. They not they see money. They not they see money. What you they do for there? They know they see money, they know they see money. Waiting me they fight for there. Now one cent now they get now sit down for there. Why get 10 months I make be man? Not 10 months I your hoy. People they call me say, Mama, not true that they see money. I say, yes, then they see money. Now with time, patience, grow and small. You go they see your money, but not leave your job for your YouTube because you never grow. When you don't grow, you feel live on. But I wait till now want tell people. When you go to YouTube, when people wanna type and you type and for them say how much YouTube they pay, you go see people where YouTube they pay millions dollars. You know how many people don't use YouTube money to build house? When they use that to buy cars. And they talk of all those big people. Those people where don't grow. Not be people where never grow. Now make me hear some people come and tell them say, with time now small. Because you know just enter market say you want your big ones. No. Here no. Now grade by grade. You they do a small. Before you know. Some people dey under 3 years. Go come tell you say what you don't achieve for YouTube. Money, YouTube money. When you call the talk say YouTube they collect money. One way more by YouTube money. YouTube not they collect any money for your account. If you make any amount, they'll send and put for your account direct. Every month you dey see for them. Now they can't change their law. So if you know they pay tax for the country where you dey, you dey pay am for them. 24% now they'll come out for your money. What do you want to tell people? Now 1 cent now only why only see and don't make Benin not go front. He dey where he still dey. Benin person will never tell you the truth. Where for the see money? You know, tell you, go tell you say nothing dey there, but it's in that for them. Nothing dey, but you did there. One and they listen to what they talk, my people.
Hey, I don't find to talk in the past. I don't scam people. I know they do business.
You be number
people,
one scammer for
say,
social media.
You can't wrong
take it or
money
leave it.
or anything. In fact, I don't associate. I don't have friends like that. I have colleagues, rather. So let me move on. The man said no, 300,000. It's too much. Oh, that donation, people are donating. Is for the donation. Is for the donation. Is for Isa and is for the donation. And I can say, okay. Although the man was respectful, the man managed. You know, say na Igbo man, and they are very good in negotiating. She managed to beat the money from 300,000 to 80,000. Me can't drag with them because this Igbo man don't have class me. I can't drag with them. Can't take and go 100,000. All of us come. You know, please don't ask me to talk about anything. I'm talking gradually, or you'll be blocked.
Because you know what? You know, say maybe people they ask them for that. Say make it talk about the 700 euro where they remove copyright. You not talk about that one. You not talk about how much you already how much in China they work every month. You not talk about when you they beat and the book they talk rubbish nonsense. Waiting people when who you want condemn where you now those people where still they where use their head say now you go the muenya. Now those people. And he play one he get now where for meeting where he call they talk about you already do video I think the day before yesterday where he call say now $70 you already the move where une they don't still they brainwash you now they don't still turn your head upside down you go they get 70 how much you talk $70 a month now madness $70 a month. You supposed to they get 1,000 something a month. Now you supposed to get now enjoy. I see the one where play that small one now there for now go for waiting the call Nigeria watch the time where I just enter where he play that small this thing for them. A man of a control when I jore mona if you get it jore mona tell her say make it contact me I go put on straight direct. It's enough where you are the work people go to chop your money. It's enough. If you use your mind, take dash person, that one another thing. Say may you they work, they go they eat time. They go come tell you say now 1 cent now they pay. You go even tell them say if I carry they go. Now lie. Open your eyes, wake up. You're a wake up because you be woman like me. I no agree me person. They treat woman like me like that. It's very bad. Or for next be warrior to tie and sit down for there, they shout, they talk. If na 1 cent come out, tell that person say see the 1 cent wey come out. But no come tell am say at the end of the month na 70 euro na come out. For waiting na. For waiting. Now that one, that small place. Now I just hear that one. Say I still talk about this thing. Nigeria one, what you did this woman? Emma, you go yan imaki egbejo. It not good. Take it or leave it. Or bear way. Or worry you wa. I wake baby. You don't do that.
Or you'll be blocked. If you write anything that look rude, you are out. Okay?
Because you know what made
nobody forced me to do this. I'm doing it because my name have been destroyed for the past one year.
Now you destroy your name.
Don't...
My brother, now you destroy your name. You for your mellow, keep your mouth shut. You know what you do. Call Iyore because you don't fair do business. Call and say, Iyore, I didn't mean nana no wakia motona. I beg my sister. I don't offend you. You offend that woman. If they tell you say you no offend that, only on a ban, on a bug boy, go reach your body. Not on say you give her a chance. No, you give her, you collect her. On a ye use all his strength, say work, give you all the money. You chop her. What's it? You eat her. Una your born now emi rock ba o. What's it they breathe down one? Now so they tell they do something. Una ye mi as you collect everything, even they pay you every month, you see they collect the money where the revenue where they come out every month. Una de mie, you carry the China, you carry. Una de mwe buy. Let's say you leave her for her now. You already come the shout. We'll tell you say, I don't do. He still give you this one. He carry money, problem not they may carry they go. Start afresh. You not doing like that. You not doing like that. It good no person they tell you the truth. You not doing. You go now have see you leave her for there. On your see children go they pray say wetin my father do, wetin my mother do may not worry me. Sometimes wetin parents do go come they worry children, go come they worry their children because of bad thing where you don't do. It not go affect you. Okpa ya affect them no normal okpa enfa. It good make children make them they pray say emi nera religion me wu nege logo me ma okpa enfa. Amanya one ya we say. See what you do to this woman. Not be woman born you. You not get sister. Not be woman you marry for house. They go do it to them. The answer is no. Open your mind. Kia wa no total you when we emi no work one ya ga wo vision ya no go like her. Or they do it to your wife. Or they do it to your daughter. You not go like her. People not go tell you truth. They go declare for you. You do good for her. Now that one they go to talk. You do good for her. You do good for her. My brother. I don't ya make ya me town where no we say no ma marry I want no give we no give na all the ya ewa. She paid. You collect the money. You collect every revenue where they come out. You chop her. You they happy. When the day where God will tell you say now today now your cup full. That day you go call the find it you already go. You never see some people when they don't old. The bad way they do the time when they young. They'll come they confess. I bet mona tell that person may forgive me. I bet mona tell this person may forgive me. Oh, who na woman, not be man. Na woman. If you don't say she not fit do anything. Me, I be woman. He pay me as I dey hear all these things. And if a night come, you go lie down with your wife. Now woman be that one. You get sister. Now woman be that one. Now woman carry you for 9 months. Now woman breastfeed you. You know just open woman eye. You go choke hand for inside say, do I so no so woo. Or when you care when you ask your boy you are and he go do am. My brother, go beg that woman. Go beg her. Wait till you do and you pain her and make her say she cry come out. Unlike you wanna viela dia. Okay, so no. O muhu gizabo. O muhu gizabo. O muhu gizabo where do I so make ne ukbokboke de. You never hear say woman omo e wo hoge. Awe ohu esu ohu hin. Oro bi tendo. Ohu ahan we mi no care. Ohu if woman want do you something. Ega oriyeke. Ega oriyeke omi here you are. Yes. You see person way good. You're then a good person. Na good person because all these things where you do, Even the nonsense wey you come dey talk yesterday, dey play yeye audio, I no even know bring am come for you, wey the pastor, this one, the other one, all that one na rubbish. I no know who tell you say make you come dey do that one. I no know who tell you. I no dey vex for you like that oh. Na because I say na woman like me, na you chook hand for your eye, na make me come out, come dey talk to you so. If person do am to me, if me here Joao, or me or Egbe, you go come find me. Don't be saying a lie. I want my radio on. I want my radio on. Umu bala kana ye no ya yo. Do kuna ruwa efwa. Una we no defi amu. Una we no defi amu. Don't so no so. They not they do like that. When you don't check, yeah, when you don't chop in money, you go no huave, not yet not so tired about it. If they shout, as me they shout, so it goes dead there 4 hours, 3 hours. And one me, it go dead there. Oh, I'm out where you just carry. You say birthday, you say na mugu, now you be guy man. My brother, 100 years not be forever. 100 years not be forever. One of the listing. You say be smart guy.
1 year. And as something lead to something, you don't want me to jump. I just be talk about money. Or were you sleeping when I mentioned that the channel was mentioned 2019? Was monetized? Don't, if you talk that rubbish again, you are blocked on earth and in heaven. Okay.
When your channel go monetize, you go start to dey make your money small, gradually. Depends of people where they watch. And the Yore was getting Naija Watch. Not let me remember. Because we dey for YouTube for there. We dey see. People from America, UK, everywhere, then they watch that woman. Sometimes you go get 40,000, 14,000, 50,000, 60. Naija Watch, you too do that woman. The day where she go beg gan. The best thing for you to do, me dey advise you so. These things wey happen so, just go beg gan. If you want give am the channel back, you fit give am, she go take. If you no want give am back, you have igwe you to ya imi. Na woman na you chook hand for your eye. Oh, no go where get woman go they follow you, they laugh, you go they kill you, they go. Abi you never hear. Na rob itendo. Ogu agi ogbueri. Ogbueri. You do everything to make sure say you go day up. You don't know say one day God go say no, this thing way they do so I go fall you down. You don't know say your nyash go open now. You don't know say your nyash go open one day.
Okay. We now agree on 100K. That time, Yore channel never monetized. Yore called to pay me 100,000 naira. I make sure. Now see say, Yore video not full everywhere now. The time where Yore there under my umbrella, they ever born that person will go fit say me go copy Yore video. Everybody where I protect their channels, they know.
Because you go they block them, they go now you where you are safe fire. Anybody where carry no tell you say me you come out town. Naija Watch no go tell you. Maybe now you can't do one. You get one video where I carry that, they can't tell me say, I bet me I drop and say then they carry that video. I say okay, thank you. Like say I saw you they do one before. That one na my mind for good. That I know they tell anybody you. When you go just see any video where report, before you know, YouTube go tell you say you don't get strike. If you get the second one, they go just remove and pata, you know there for YouTube again. How many Naija Watch do like that? Naija Watch wa worry no. Do wene, do vembo no rote do nijo. No susu maye na mula diave there do vonjo. If not be so you dey do on that time. No lie. That's what they do on that time. It no go inform you. Before you know, if na the night it take do when you wake up, you go open your YouTube, your email, you just see say YouTube don't send you message say, so channel don't report this video. Copyright. They will warn you. If you get another tool, we go block them. How many you block? You block many people, they not forgive you. You too do bad for that YouTube, eh? Oh, how where? Oh, weird. They smell for everywhere. They smell. Now, so will gig.
I protected Lolo's Annual Justice channel, YouTube channel, and Facebook page. I protected Eddie Murphy's Facebook page. I protected
I pity for those one where you just they protect. When you say they protect, what you they protect? Why you protecting now? Huh? You tell them they do one that dick mark, I be protect. Eh? If you know what make person carry your this thing, go ask YouTuber and tell they do and go tell you. You go step by step video go there. You don't need anybody to tell you. What you they protect? You know what make anybody they carry and then now you can't they carry am. Because you know what made Daniya you carry. Because that time me I know they carry anybody. I know they carry their video. I know they carry. Even when I carry Agamie Yahweh, this man reports me. He reports me straight and direct. The thing pay me. I say, this is our brother where they talk good things. I know they carry nyama. Yawa begoma no wa make sense. How they let me and they carry their video. He reports me, he no inform me. Now lie Naija Wash. Not true. Did you inform? No. He said because now they carry a video. You bet you know they pay them. You use them to make money. Probably not they. Now they akbalaba. But what do you do for that YouTube? You want make anybody? Now many people when they come out, when they open YouTube before they try and Naija Wash or block. We yan la owa. Owa huliya ya la owa. I fear no fear you. E bobun gbe won we. Obun gbe wo.
Monica Ambrose Facebook YouTube page, YouTube channel. I protected Stainless Amadin's channel, YouTube. I protected Enogie YouTube channel and Facebook. And many.
Why is
none of these don't ever come out when they say I carry their money. Now only Yore.
Because you can't, you see Mugu. Because now you give her China. Eh? After never noje. You protect and say don't be you open her for her. Because you're not open her. Eh? You give her because now you the control. It's like me now, my YouTube now I can't give to somebody. That email now me get them. You understand? That email where they there now my own. I feel decided at any time say do anything where I want to do because the email leaked to Google AdSense. Naija Wash. It linked to there. So anything where they come out for there, now you they see them. Also, no bonner like Jore. Like say Jore open YouTube now. I can't tell you say now you get the password, now you get the email. Oh boy, those people where you say you protect now, maybe now they get their email, then they open up by themselves. You just do one or two or three things for them. Now also your bomber now there, oh boy, there. Well, you for still eat that, you stay eating your so maybe some of them not go be like that because those people now they still go school small. You're now not be say not go school, but you don't know because not be say because you go school you not go school. Now they say they know about YouTube. No, some people they not get interest at all. Any interest in you always you they help me they do I trust you. Now you already do. Now you can't catch a mugu. Say see mugu don't come. I go eat for you.
Yore, he stand out. Oh, no worry, we are getting there. Although when I tell her say I was controlling this channel and all that, she not believe me that time. It's okay. So we can't agree for 100,000, my people. Yes, truly, Yore was paying me 100,000 every month. After about 11 months, if I'm not mistaken, 11 months or 12 months, I don't remember. Yore can call me, say she not go fit pay again. She said she dey receive money for YouTube. Say, no, firstly, when she asked me whether they receive money, whether they pay for YouTube, I said no. Second time, I said no. The third time, I can't say yes.
Naija Wash. Hey, may God forgive you your sin. 11 months, when I want to feel you go yet, bo. She even they ask you, you say no. The third one I don't make way. When I want to feel you go yet, bo. Hey. God no go forgive you, eh? Before you go ask God, say, God, forgive me my sin. You go first go meet that person where you offend. That person where you do bad, you first go meet and say, Laho, forgive me, I fuck up. Make sure say that person go forgive you with all his heart. He go tell you say, ihe wene, ehiro. Otherwise, you go hear and when my brother. You know chop woman money, may you go free. You know go free. Who walk by? See people where eat woman money. Yeah, I bring you living on jail. I want you and they eat and go the sweet there. You go the sweet there for body. But later, 100 years is not forever. Who do I know? You can't the shit.
I can't say yes. In a different month, I can't say yes. You can't say how much. I believe I tell at that time, I said 200 or 300 pounds. No, sorry, dollars. You can't say, all right. She can't use this.
Hey, Jesus is Lord. Oh, you can't tell and say now $200. Hi, my people. If you not see at this stunt, they pitch me for body. You just open eye. Shook hand for this woman eye like that. Why you not telling the truth, Naija Wash? Only the truth shall set you free. Only the truth. From the starting to the end. If you not tell you the truth, you will suffer, my brother. I'm telling you. Why we can na woman now you jam. She not do you anything, but now you go meet her. Go mark her. She not go talk to you. Yeah, we no matter about you, okay. Now woman carry you for belly. Now woman breastfeed you. Now woman now you go jam. Now only that one. Only that one. Now woman now you still put for house. I believe say you still get daughter also. No matter about you, okay. You can't tell and say $200. Why it do 20 won't buy you? If you feel come swear put, say that time where you already ask you can't tell them the first time, the second time, before you can't agree for the third time, say then they pay. Why it won't go buy you? Also, then you feel swear put. All the thing where you talk yesterday, if you feel swear also just come out. They not say make the go bring and come. Who are more job way? Emi ya fe no tana. Aye. You still have a long way to go. You can't tell and say now 200. You go man.
All right. She can't use this Bini language. Waga rioni bagu oguwa. Nuwa me shine oguwa.
How she not go tell you like that in Naija Wash? Because you already not be woman of €200 or $200. How she not go tell you? Uma tell matter man. Naija Wash. You not tell the truth. Uma tell matter man. It's good make person they talk true for this life. It good make person they talk true for this life. Or na wa mi weta ha wa gbo ewa temata ni ruda we wa saharo salobua o we ma to ya ade. And she no go tell you say the 200 we wa ri oni ba wo because he see and say e ga gbon o we be ga gbon ma we tell we ni go ni polo. Umata me go me thousands. Did you ever tell her? The answer is no. Nobody where you go toss, where you go tell and say your China na 1,000 plus now they gain or 2,000 something. You go tell you why are you only back what because Oswald no man na go yawo. Na mugu na she be. No. Let's say you tell them the truth. I so much believe. Say you go tell you say my brother, you go knock below. How much? 2,005. Okay, where the area 500. Where the area knock back me. Also, my when you na you go tell and say, "Wa area knock back wa." If na true, Naija was say na 200 na ogele ami. Do vent bojo. Cause we put. Why go to what was one of the things on the talk to people will not get brain. People will get brain, they're many. We they watch you now, one eye, then we take the watch. We don't want to talk to you too much. Sometimes we say, maybe we just still leave them. What's in here? 200 euro, Nigeria wash. Don't vend bonjour, wa va koro hojo. Because a dead ben we have we hanjek no hoje. Wa van haro hojo, or I ma tagelino, if not true. Can you swear? If you feel swear this thing when me they ask you so, you go free. But if you not feel swear, why ya dig we? Why ya himia? And why ya dear life? Udo we mana we 100 years not be forever. You not do it now, you go do it later. Nobody when they will tell and say you they gain see money where you they receive for there. He go tell you so where money ya, where money ya suffer the dia. You don't do that. You for tell them the truth. Or you will tell matter me. Because so you can't look and say what it be $200. Ah, what fee banya maybe 170. Yeah, yeah, any rock back. Just carry. Problem not there. You not tell them the truth. Let me can tell them say, let me she tell you say, well, why do you only buy? Tell matter. Why not tell matter? I will. Anything what you do today, they wait for you tomorrow.
The shine of what? I can't thank him.
How you know attack him? You got a rent because you matter matter.
Yuri, thank you. Yuri Consemo take take that money, join my own channel, make I still pay my workers. Okay? As it happen. So any money where you already made that time, although I don't know about other channels, I look after Monica's channel, I look after Lolo's channel, but if I choke now, I go surprise. Lolo and Monica make money pass Yore, the time the money at the look after Yore channel. And I was asking myself why. Now, where Yore come to talk, because you know, Yore come ask me again after some time. Say whether they pay, and as I first tell you that I said that they pay you now, but see the money whether they pay you. She can say, okay, since that they pay me, make your kukuma they take the money where they YouTube, when they listen, no, but me not go pay you 100,000 again. And goes Okona, can you first tell us about they take that one, they join this one?
Greedy
I
person.
believe she was sufficient. Yore was really receiving money, but now she don't cap them. All her followers, she don't get secret account where they pay money, they not the announcer for live again. Okay? I can say, I not agree. We argue, we quarrel. After then, we can follow friendship.
Naija Wash, this one where you talk, so you must prove am. I beg. You must prove am. No you must prove am. As I talk am before, from the starting to the end, where you already use that channel, I beg, may you print and come out. We want see am. The 200, no we yan here. May you prove am, otherwise we go we go swear put. You know if you come out, come shook hand for woman, and you say, you will tell the woman, say you do nothing. Oh, me who tell you say woman not see anything do? Who tell you say you go feel use one hand take push woman come on for there? Who wear me rock ba who wear? Not be woman carry you for 9 months. Not be woman born you. You go print and come out Naija Wash. Now you draw yourself come out. Like say you not come out yesterday. If for good for you. Abi you no know say we dey around with the watch. We dey watch. Umana print again na wa print okbeni. You must print and come out. May you show the world. Say the time where you already use your YouTube channel. See the amount where they get every month na $200 or I mean. Umana we gbe ho. If you not do am, you go hear when. You know if you chook eye. You know if you chook your hand for woman eye. Tell us say go sleep a boy day. A boy the time where we both go come. You go run. You know see who go help you that time. You go print and come out, You go print and these things, it go stop. May stop. They not go do your sister. I work on where ye. I wear. What you do that woman? Tell them the truth. Say, see the money where they come from revenue. Who you want go they deceive? You not feel deceive people like me. Lie. If you like, you they control other people channel. You they tell them say see the money where they come out. May you for not they. Now you know that one are your own. Now you know. No can tell us say your channel that time they make 200. Even my own channel not they make two. Wait till be 200. Yeah, wait till I come they do for that YouTube. Ikbabore. I'm game even in total. You just sit down. They make 200. I be now. Maybe you made mistake to tell now. Maybe now every day night they make $200 a month. Maybe what am I with 200 now? That one actually they make every day. People they where they make 300 every day. People they. Maybe now 200 where you talk so. Now that one actually they do every blessed day. You are a greedy somebody. Before you go say, may God forgive you, you go ask that woman if she forgive you. I'm gonna forgive you. Even manage your now, we will use here. You go still ask. May we forgive you. Otherwise, say, now woman, now you face. You know if you choke out for a woman, I say, may you cry, may you die. Okay, what's you below?
I follow friendship for our friendship to remain.
Yeah, friendship where then they do. This one a friendship. This one a friendship. God forbid friendship. Yahoo. This one a friendship. Friendship Yahoo. Una bejo una ye mie. This one a friendship. Une friendship no wa ne mo wa mo de.
Remain. I can't scrap the 100,000. I can't take only the one way they YouTube. The highest amount Yore have ever made on our YouTube was $900 a month. The rest was 400, 5.
You must bring gang come out. Naija Wash. You dey talk now. You must bring gang come out. May we see. Okay? If you bring gang, everything don't resolve. Don't go bring another this thing come out. Oh. You go bring gang. Because you know say na inside na mistake dey. If you get 100 YouTube, may you go for Google this thing. What they call them? Whether na what they call them ATL. You know where it dey. Show us just video and we go dey look am. From where it starts, it dey there. I dey more mawujo. This one and the mouth of this. This one and the mouth of our no YouTube no ma here. They put am for there. Come show us, Unu where your ta.
500, 300, 600, like that. The highest ever in a month was 900. And I was sending out all the receipts. So, the receipt means I go screenshot. She was seeing it anyway. If I send her to Ram, she didn't tell me say she didn't see him because she was having app. So, she was having password and email, my people. Don't be say I make her manager. Make you somebody manager. You have some kind of things you can see or not. She was having password and email. So she did see some things and she did let me know.
My people, this one where Naija Wash talk so. Only God know whether na that YouTube app now you give am. Naija, you say you be smart guy. You say you be smart guy. You get many YouTube channel. You don't use your mouth talk am. Only God know whether na that one now you give you remain the control for YouTube what they call that YouTube creator. Only God now know whether na that one because I feel do and I go give another person waiting not even be that one go give and say na be this. They watch this one go they say okay and then we go you just not know anything now now you just not know go not know come for there. You go just they believe say okay maybe na another YouTube channel. Naija Wash give you made they watch. Or when I see the money where they make. Now not say get many YouTube channel. You go say now this one I be your YouTube. Go say hey matter. Naija Wash. You say you be smart guy. When me you were smart is me. When my smart is me now. You know say sometimes you just say more now just live there. Who you want content? Who you want content? If they show one thing say what is that they call them? He show one YouTube channel say now that one he give you you too talk lie. Me and You TV. Now you give Iyore. Me and You, where you come change to Me and You TV. So now you give her. You forget, say you use her to strike my YouTube before you give her to Iyore. You use her to strike me, that YouTube. Now you take strike me. If you not dey talk, what matter? You use that YouTube to strike me because even though you change name for YouTube, if you change name, but if you type and put, YouTube go still bring out come out, but not be the same name. But because you say you change am, because you fit change your YouTube name. You fit change am. That YouTube way give Iyore, we can say evangelist so. Now be that Me and You TV. Now be that one. Because if you dey talk the law avec boy, now that one now you give Iyore. Now be evangelist Iyore something. Now that one now you give her. After when you don't collect them back, you can still change am to Me and You TV. You understand, Naija Watch? Now we dey YouTube, we dey see everything. Those who are not there, you feel they tell them, they will just they believe you say, this man are true, oh, God go bless you for what you do. Now lie. Now God go punish you for what you do. Now the truth. He must punish you.
Mona, remember, Iyore scrapped the original agreement of 100K. Okay? Later on, she came back. She came back after some months and I said the money will dey YouTube. Are you talking to me, Mr. Ramato? Okay. All right, thank you. After a while, she came back to me. Mona, remember our oppression, but I was still calm for my friendship with her to remain.
Yeah, friendship.
She scrapped original agreement of 100,000. After Iyore, everybody that I'm helping on social media, all of the sign contracts. Now Iyore make me come allow people to come the sign contract. Cannot sign contract with Iyore, and she took advantage of everything. Okay? Now, yes, I will answer that, Mommy Diaspora.
The contract where they give them, where they sign. Why tie contract, they will just give you now. Someone has sign now, just sign now. Because I don't know what they said. Why was sign there? I trust them. One of the listing.
Yes, I will answer that, Mommy Diaspora. I'm coming to that. She came back again after scrapping the 100,000. She now said, the money will they see for YouTube. Brother, because she they call me brother. Brother, society where she say they cheat me that time. Or come me believe say na Christian before. Before I come say na businesswoman. Society where, brother, the money will they YouTube now. Now you want to pay me. I can say, 100,000 when we agree, you take and come out. The money will they YouTube. Let me say they get better money like that, but $600 a month, you want to collect them. Which one can be my own? Now me get my channel.
Oh, gee.
You say lie. We quarrel, we vex. Me go meet Iyore again. I can still agree. For the second time, and those people, I can't agree. Okay, you want to talk?
Why you agree? Because you know, say na the no be the main channel you give Iyore make they look, say money they enter. Now I make you agree. No be the main one. If they say me you can't swear put now, what even bojo? Because not be the main one. You give her the one where you the other ones where you for the because you use your mouth talk and say you get many YouTube channel where you open. You give her the one where money they enter small. Now that one you give her make they see say your the money not they come for this YouTube channel. Look you know see say money not the day you're near. You go say no money not they come. And they say that they see money like that. Because the May, you not give her. Thought truth. The May, you not give her. Because if you give her, you go say, oh no, we work, but you work, no. You not give her that one. You give her another one.
Okay, you want to talk? Okay, let me put you on speaker. Go ahead.
Because you made two points here. The first point was you collected an agreement of 100,000 naira.
Yes.
Iyore agreed on. Then after a while, she went on the agreement. She refused to pay that. Then she told you to use the money from that was coming from the YouTube channel that you lent to her. And after a while, Kina said the money should not be used as a payment for your service, right?
Yes.
Then the third time, Kina said now that she will not pay the 100,000. That the money from the YouTube should not be shared between both of you.
Yes.
Is that what they're telling us?
Exactly. So let me continue from there.
Okay, continue. Yeah, continue.
Okay. Let me remove it from speaker, or I'll leave it. No noise for your area again. Somebody is saying that money was big. No. Yes. Agree. Hold on, sir. Hold on. I'm talking already.
Okay.
Somebody said that money was big. Oh, yes. Agreement is agreement. I made mistake. I did not sign contract with Iyore. Iyore is supposed to be giving me at least a minimum of 500,000 every month. Iyore was making.
Mona de listio. He say Iyore China no dey work money. Huh? Well done it all. Iyore China no dey make money. They make like the highest money where Iyore China make na $900. But he say, hey, Jesus is Lord. He say no sign contract with him. Like say sign contract is for they pay about 500. Because you know how much with that channel they bring come. The one where you say they make maximum 900. Now another one you give Iyore make they see. Now another one you give an ore. Naija wash you be bad person. You be bad person. Make them they praise you, say you be good person. But inside your mind, you know say you not be good person. You know say what you do this woman. They not still do it. They not do it for your pikin or your wife or your sister. You know. If you not be bad person, you say make she dey work. Huh? One of the list you. Or where if you're for the pay more than that one. Why? Because you know say our channel really the one where she they use, they pay more than. They pay more than. Because I go they work, my channel go they do like 500, me I say 500 euro. Person go come tell me say me I can't they pay 1,500. Biana me neni go. Una dey understand? Biana me neni go. Ingo nu weta me the channel where you say they bring money, they make 600. I'll come to go they work for another place, come they pay you for the channel. One of the list you the thing say they talk to people wey no get brain. The thing say they talk to people wey no get brain when their head turn upside down. Because he know say Iyore China, they work money well. Iyore no know. Because Iyore no get that app. You don't get that studio of that app direct China. Now another one give you Iyore make Iyore they look. Now Iyore they look that one. Iyore now come they look that one. The thing say really our China no they make money because if they see am for app for them. If you be YouTuber, you know what they talk about. Iyore go they see that one 600, 400 in money not dey. On my way in Naija wash or worry away. Now another one I give her. Now another one give her make they watch. Ha! Now what for you? Oh, you go my name. Me I put on
between a minimum of 2 million to 5 million naira every month, and you say $500, $300, $600 is too big for my channel.
Now the year that one na the donation when they donate for Iyore. You too open eye for money, eh? Person wey too open eye for money, wetin dey kill am na money still dey kill am. Yes. When your eye go too much open for eye for money, now that's the same money. Now you see they kill that person. Two na dey hear wetin dey talk so. Well, because you see said that they do donation for Iyore, because Iyore they talk say that donation na isa money. Awe na rawa, ona vinjo, igo no makwa. Eye open well, courage back. Hi. Now wow, emi go aju wife na so here. Una. You get gear. You go no ma for that matter. See you now, see your life now. Now you they call say they play 1-1, 2-2, 3-3. Why they not call Daniyayi like that? You know sit down, may you think. Why people know they call Danny? Yeah, you don't block my channel. Danny, yeah, you don't report me. Oh, why not be like that? Because you be bad person. You say you smart. A smart in work no more worry. No worry. That smart where you say you smart. We know where they carry you, they go. None of the listing.
Business, in case you don't understand. Now she came back and I said, Mo, they share the money. Because the noise is coming. Mo, they share the money. After argument, and I agree as well. You're always supposed to pay me 100,000. Me can't they pay Yuri.
Because you know how much you they carry. Oh, you want don't know where now. You know how much you they carry for there. Can you people listen very well? More than not let this man watch on a brain. All what he talked yesterday was line. Oh, Emma Taru way. Oh, he done. Oh, be nothing. They say you no come mad, come talk. I for to respect you. Say you go back, go tell you say, let's forget all these things. That China me I give you back. Because I know because you know what you gave for your hand. You know what you gave for that woman hand, my brother. You know. Here to we zoe to zoe. Wa woman zoe come swear ayela when they bring come 2 years ago, abi 3 years ago. Don't void your. Wa woman zoe to my woman you don't know anything. Say na the money where you just say the highest way your money do now 900. May you can't swear woman something put because a dead ben well of your coco. Wa void. You will feel swear now. If you say you will feel swear now, everybody go just shut up. You will feel swear now. Because you know what you they do. Now make you they do agreement. You agree. You agree. Now you can't pay you can't agree. And brother, nobody be mugu. Now let you feel cash mugu. Why you not cash the rest? Because they'll feel expose you. Because you know say you not they talk to anybody. Now I make you. The truth, you go and not get friend, not get anybody. Just they do your thing, they go. They shout for there. They do it, what they do for social media. You go say this one not the not girlfriend. You know if you tell anybody, me I cash and mugu. Because if you say me you do the rest, they go talk come out. Yes, because you don't know no go, no come. You catch that woman. Now my piankan. You say this one go good for 419. You go too good. Say you never scam anybody. Wait till you call this one. And a gift you go give her. You not be scam. No, not that name they call this one. One and they listing.
They pay Yuri. All the receiver can they pay Yuri there WhatsApp. They my own WhatsApp. For privacy reason, I'm not go show that one. She not talk those things one. I not believe say she talk more. I can't they pay Yuri every month. Sometimes I pay on 80,000. Sometimes I pay on 70,000. Sometimes I pay on 65,000. But the smallest amount I ever paid the Yuri was 65,000 or so. 80,000 every month. Why we sometimes we will take 100,000 or 150,000. Which you not suppose. Because some of now they talk now say, why? Yes, Yuri, case you don't understand. When you get land, pastor or farmer come meet you. Say may you give them, may you lend them your land. Say they want lease them. After they don't put, they don't use your land now maybe for farming, and they are not successful. You know, they are not successful. Now, the time you need your land, they say no, they want to take it because people don't know they're there. There's a supermarket in Lagos called Blanco. After ShopRite is the biggest supermarket in Lagos. The land where they build their supermarket they lease them for 5 million naira where they started. Now they are very big. They don't try to tell the owner say they want buy it. The owner say like the money now don't go from 5 million naira now to 20 million naira where they call the pay now. I believe say it don't pass now. Till tomorrow, they say no, don't go say. If you don't want to take the channel for free, okay, somebody left a comment there, because some comment I'll be responding to it. Okay, somebody say, why were you paying her? This thing is a virus. Add me. Webcam, always block them, please. The virus, any YouTuber, if you see them,
because you know one reply that one. Now yes, and a virus, you know one reply that one. If you know they see money, why you can't they pay them? Naija Wash. And people, I don't want to take on time. Maybe I go stop am for here. Maybe tomorrow we go continue again. This Naija Wash is of a thing. Because I don't want to take on time tomorrow. The video long, well. Because I go dey analyze am. If you know they see money, you can't they pay your money. Equal gear now you can't they give am. Equal gear. Naija Wash. I beg you go screenshot am or you go do live streaming. We go see am. That YouTube wey say you they use that time. You can't show am. When they for it then now you know the thing they do am. They show us the amount where you can't they get every month because it did there. You fit cheat other people, but people like us wey still dey YouTuber, wey be YouTuber, you know fit cheat us. You know fit. You know fit. If person say make keep quiet, why others no? You for not carry yourself come out. You for just say this woman say, forgive me and forget. Wetin I do no good. Since you don't catch me, wetin I do no good. That China now, you know wetin we go do. May you just give me small money, make I give you. You just get carry okba. You go carry okba. You say no. After when you don't collect all the money, you can't still collect the China again. You too do that, woman. May I see play and small, may I leave.
I'm always block them, please. The virus, any YouTuber, if you see them, block them.
So may they block them. You know what reply?
So when you say, why will you pay her in Naira? Yes, now what Yore want. Everything Yore they do na Naira. In case you don't know Yore. All the money where everybody they donate for Yore na Naira that they send and go for Nigeria. To one for land care, something for Lagos.
Nobody want care.
In case you don't know.
May not really come.
You when they ask me, so if you be Yore followers, now me be 95% of the sources of Yore. Una go start to the hear audio now. Una go know where we dey.
Nobody care about that audio where you even play. Who care about that one? As he take call pastor, as pastor, Naija Wash, where they be ya? You not be man enough. I pity for you. You are not in man enough. Go they play audio. People wait to be tough. Wait to be things say me you they tell the pastor. People where they pursue me, say they're different. No, you don't know if you tell pastor say people where don't they pursue me, they're different. They my back. You to iye Kenya gije. Na really tendo ware gian ya fefe. Iye Kenya haraje me. Which nonsense audio be that one you can't play? You play nonsense audio. You talk. Maybe like say they talk to my people. I don't even know. Tomorrow may we start for here again. May I leave una because 1 hour don't stand because me I don't feel they stay like this. I get all that thing to do. This Naija Wash everything. If now my brother, Mona tell him. May I go bring everything come out. We want see him. We want see you they talk like. We want see you they talk truth. May we foresee who they talk like, who they talk truth. Naija Wash, you know they see money. When I pay. We know who were a smart guy. I bet my people, person they talk. More than they pick waiting that they talk. You were smart. You can't they pay Yore. What you can't they pay him for? Because you know, say the YouTube channel where you give them, where should they watch for phone? Not be that one they use. Not be that one. Yore they use now, not that one. Nigo na ware okpo you not give her that one because if she see that one, her eye go open where you not give her. Make sure say you bring her come out to make her show us. And you say the highest na 900. Now Yore channel receive. And you talk like say yeah, Yore YouTube now this now me and you TV. Me and you TV. You use and strike me before you give her to Yore that time. Now you strike me because any time where you bring her come, he did there. YouTube not they lie. Now you and me TV now fair be. You can't change her. You can't put on so evangelist Yore. My people, may I leave una for this? Maybe later the day I feel continue or tomorrow. Because 1 hour don't land. Then tomorrow we'll still start time from where we stop. And a mwekba. because the video is too long, I not to take on time because everybody get what they do. But I not let anybody tell una say now 1 cent. Now then they pay. Maybe if you do too much, you go do $100 a month. Now you mad day for there. Now you take they train your children. Now you take they feed $100. Oh where you feed? Oh what boom. Now you sit down for there 24 hours. You there for YouTube. Now $100 then they give you. If you talk true, if you want to see your view, you still see. If you don't want to see your view, you know still see. That's the way God don't bless, He don't bless. Some people there, if you there for YouTube, they go they watch. Some people there, they don't even need to. They even stay there. Just draw the video. People go still watch. Who want watch? Go watch. And just watch. You too talk like. Una do soon will gig bang. Those people where they clap and say you be good person, you do good for her. Now the good way you do not go kill you. Now your good not go kill you because you know say your good must kill you. And your bad must still kill you, joiner. If you not come tell the truth, nobody go leave you for waste. Unless say you know they sleep with woman. And just watch, now me come they tell you so. Because now woman like me, now you go hit your head for where it dey. Now woman like me, I know sit down, may you sit down, may you come the beat her. Never. Because you talk lie. Like say now the truth, now you just talk now. We go rest for the matter. No come bend now, come they talk lie. No come bend now, come they talk lie. She ask you the first time you said they not they pay. Second time you know they not they pay. When you know say when you just monetize your channel, it go start that very day when you just start to they put your ads, it go they read. You go they read. Then the next month, if your money reach $100, they'll send and can't give you. That's where you go they go. That's where you go they go. Una where me over. Now the third time, you saw work buru. Now you can't tell and say then they pay. But your channel not they make money. Oh, now only $200. Or now when what ye bahu wa again ye jao. O ma tell na tama. You for tell the truth. Say yore as it be now see your channel don't they make big money. Oh. May we do it like this. Now me give you channel. Now me give you that channel. May we do it like this. Now me get her. May we do it 50-50 or 60-40. I say you tell her, the woman for agree. You go say money ma we one year. Then from there she go open her up. You not tell her like that. Una mwekbone no gwalo. You give her another you to make the look. You give her another email make the look. You smart. You know say people still there way smart pass you. Way still get brain pass you. If you know say na real, na your channel na be that one. Do vo susuma ye yo. When we look bona. Do vo yo. Your feet swear. Or the highest money where you make for YouTube channel na 900. Uve do vo susuma ye yo. Uve vaharo hojo. Your feet do. The answer is no. You can't do. Because if there's someone that can't do now say na church una they go. They'll come say na church then they go. They know they swear. And people, may I leave una for here. May we continue tomorrow, May we continue tomorrow. This Niger wash. Ekenuwe na sunhu obungbe. It's too much. It's too much. And then they call your name up and down. Why they know they call Danny Yayi like that? Because you want to be the head. Everybody go there under you. Even Danny Yayi, you know, when they see video, they carry again. And that one you be one do. She can't cash you. God can't talk, say no, people where you don't offend, they're too much. Not worry like that. He say friendship. The friendship one and they do not say me rock. But if this one a friendship, good make person not get friend at all. If this one a friend, you forget that woman when what again in your regbe. You forget now. You for too gain now. But your greediness was too much. You too love money. If you no man like it be or one. When you too love something too much. Now that thing then go send me can't kill you. And the truth. Now that thing, then go still kill that person. Too much of everything is bad. Tomorrow we will continue, my people. See you tomorrow. One love, now bye-bye. I'll see you now tomorrow. We'll continue from there. Nigeria, what the thing say is smart. You know, say people way smart, way not they come out the day. We day here with the watch. Continue your stupid, make you talk your rubbish for them. Instead of you to go and meet that woman, apologize to her, beg her, make she forgive and forget. You come and they can't push you, say, no, Nigeria, you must come out, come to this thing. You know, say people there will go answer your, will go analyze your waiting they talk. I mean, to say na mugu na dey there. We not be mugu. Sometimes we just dey leave people, just make them just they misbehave. We are wasing ya and na wa here do. So my people, see you tomorrow. One love. God go bless you. We start tomorrow. We go continue where we stop. We go continue tomorrow. Then we see how Naija was one content defend itself. If you know saying go swear so man ye, you go swear woman under problem not dey our hewe. But all when you venue church in you are a goner. Once of 100 years is not forever. Now the truth I tell you. Where ti those young boy you say the woman not see anything to do you. When you know say na woman you put for us. Woman a devil. If you never know me, you know. You go to follow you, they laugh. Oh, boy. Oh, you never see. May we pack it that one. Tomorrow, see you. See you guys. One love. Bye bye. Watch out.